Now you will see how to withdraw funds from the BTCC app to your crypto wallet, bank account or physical cash. Watch this video until the end to choose the best option for you. Let's start with the question that most people typically ask: how to withdraw fiat currencies directly from BTCC to your bank account. On many crypto apps, including BYBIT, you will see an option like fiat withdrawal, and here you can choose how much money you want to withdraw to your bank. For example, if I withdraw 20 euros and then I choose here SEPA bank transfer, I click here continue, I can withdraw from the BYBIT crypto app to my bank account. However, if you come to the BTCC app and you click here more, you don't find a direct fiat withdrawal, and that's why you need to use other methods, and here you will see peer-to-peer. But you will notice a big difference between BTCC peer-to-peer comparing to other platforms. When you click right here for sell, you will notice that they don't have almost any offers available at the moment. For the USD, which is the most common fiat currency in the world, only 2 offers with 0 orders and 0 completion at the moment of recording this video. On the other hand, when I come to the BYBIT mobile app and I click here for peer-to-peer trading and I click here for sell, first of all, you see that you can withdraw so many different government currencies, dozens of different ones worldwide. And if I choose USD, I click here, you can see that there are so many different offers, and many of them have even hundreds of completed orders, some of them even more than 1000 completed orders, and the completion rate is more than 90% for many of them, for some of them even 100% completion rate. If you happen to be, for example, in India, you can choose directly Indian rupee, and here you can choose to receive money to your bank. So that's the second difference. Peer-to-peer withdrawals are easier on BYBIT than on BTCC. Then what about the crypto card? You can see that BTCC doesn't provide at the moment a crypto card for withdrawing physical cash. Meanwhile, BYBIT and many other crypto platforms provide you physical and also virtual cards, and you can use the physical card to withdraw physical cash from the ATM, so you can easily convert your crypto into cash. So now if you want to withdraw money from BTCC to your bank account, usually you need to first withdraw the money from BTCC to another crypto exchange and then into your bank, because BTCC lacks options that bigger platforms such as BYBIT have. So you will need to do it this way: from BTCC to BYBIT and then from BYBIT to your bank. And if BYBIT is not available in your location, I have collected for you an ultimate guide that I give for you as a free gift. You will see more than 20 apps in one place, so you can withdraw money to your bank worldwide. You will find my ultimate guide in the description right here below the video. I will also leave you a link for BYBIT right here so you can get started. So let's start the withdrawal process. What I will do first is I will come here into trade, and then I will click here spot, and I will convert some of the BTC to USDT to avoid higher withdrawal fees of BTC on this app. I scroll this one right here, I click here sell, I click here confirm. That is how you trade. Order executed and done. Then you click here assets. Then you click here USDT. You click here transfer. You choose from spot account to wallet account. You choose the amount. Click here confirm. It says transfer successful. You click here got it. You go back. Then you choose your wallets. Then you click here hide 0 balances. You click here withdraw or USDT. Let me click here withdraw. Then you can choose the currency you want to withdraw. And then you can choose the chain, and you can see here TRC20 has only a fee of 1 USDT, so I will choose that one. Now I will go back to the BYBIT app. I will click here deposit. I click here deposit crypto, I choose here USDT, I choose here TRC20, then I click here copy, then you click here paste, and then you choose the withdrawal amount right here. I click here all. You can choose the address platform by selecting here. I click here BYBIT. And now before you proceed and click here submit, you want to double check 3 things. First, check that you are withdrawing the correct currency in the correct network and that the address is correct. So double check those 3 things, that they are same on BTCC and BYBIT. Once you have double checked, you click here submit, and we will come back when the withdrawal has gone through.
A few moments later.
You can see here BTC sent me an email. Your withdrawal is successful. Here is also the proof from my BTCC wallet. 0 USDT left. And here is the proof on my BYBIT account. The USDT has been deposited. And now if you want to continue sending the money into your bank or in physical cash, there are 3 different options. First is of course the direct fiat withdrawal that I showed you earlier. You can come here on the BYBIT homepage, click here more, then you click here buy crypto, and here you can also sell and do the fiat withdrawal. So let me show how it works. You choose here buy crypto, and now instead of choosing buy, you choose sell. Here you will convert USDT into your local currency by clicking here next, and then you choose here euro balance or your local currency and you confirm. Then it says that the transaction is successful and you can click here to view assets. And now in your funding wallet you choose here fiat and you hide 0 balances to choose your local currency and you click right here. And now you choose here withdraw, and here you are able to withdraw money to your bank if that bank method is available in your local currency. If this doesn't work in your location, let's go to the second option. You will find it here by clicking more, then you choose again buy crypto. Even though you are selling crypto and withdrawing funds, you click here peer-to-peer trading, and here you will choose sell. And now on the right hand side you will choose your local currency. For example, I already showed you earlier, in India you choose Indian rupee, in Philippines you choose Filipino peso, Nigerian people choose probably Nigerian naira, US dollar works in dozens of countries worldwide, euro works in Europe, British pound, Canadian dollar, so you have many different options. For example, if you like USD, you click right here, and now you will choose where do you want to receive the money. For example, if you want to receive the money into your bank, you choose here which bank you are using. As you can see, they support hundreds of different bank accounts worldwide. Usually here in the beginning, they show you the most popular options like Wise, Zelle, PayPal, and also other ones. Let's say that you want to use Wise or Zelle or Revolut or Payer. You click here confirm, and now you will see the offers. I have 3 tips for you. Choose some of them that have many orders. The more orders, the better. You can see here how many orders they have recently done. Second criteria is that they have a high completion rate. Over 90 is great. You can see this one, for example, has 46. So I wouldn't want to choose that one. I would rather choose this one, 97% completion rate with hundreds of completed orders, while this one has 46% with only 6 completed orders. So this one is much better. And the third one is this, how good rate you get, because oftentimes you can even earn a profit by following this process. You can see here that you are able to sell USDT for more than $1 worth of value, which means that you can actually earn a little bit by following this method. Then you simply click here sell. Here you choose how much you want to sell. Notice here that some of these offers, for example here, the minimum is 496 USDT. So you want to choose some of the offers that work with your value. It depends on the offer and the person, as you can see here. Some people put minimum 100, some people put minimum 500, and anything you can imagine. And then of course the third option to withdraw money from BYBIT is using a physical BYBIT card. You can use it to pay for your shopping in groceries, restaurants, hotels, taxis, wherever you go, in the same way like you would use any card. And then of course if you want to use alternative crypto cards, you can also use Crypto.com Visa card, KuCoin crypto card, BitGet card, and many other crypto platforms provide physical cards that you can use to go to the ATM and withdraw physical cash, or simply use your crypto for pay for your all kinds of living costs. Because nowadays you can use crypto worldwide with these crypto cards. If you want to get even more options to withdraw money to your bank in addition to BYBIT peer-to-peer, I will quickly show you the biggest peer-to-peer platform in the world. And that is BINANCE peer-to-peer. You can see it here, but if you wouldn't see it on the BINANCE homepage, you simply click here more, and then you simply scroll down a little bit until you find peer-to-peer right here on the trade, peer-to-peer. You can choose whether you have experience or you are new to peer-to-peer. If you choose that you are new, then it makes the process a little bit easier for you. But if you have experience or you want to see my easy tutorials, you choose here peer-to-peer, you choose here the currency you want to receive, and you notice that Binance has even more options available than BYBIT. You can see here probably more than 100 different government currencies worldwide. Then you simply choose here sell, and again the same, you choose some of the available offers. One thing you notice immediately is that people are using Binance peer-to-peer even more. You can see here hundreds of trades, 973 trades, and these are just for the euro. If you take a look at US dollar, there are even more. And of course Indian rupee and Filipino peso, other popular currencies, there are lots of trades happening every single day, which means that you can withdraw money to your bank. So the process of withdrawing money from BTCC to your bank through Binance works the same way as with BYBIT. First, withdraw money from BTCC app to Binance, and then from Binance peer-to-peer you send the money to your bank account. If you want even more platforms and options, again I give you my guide for you as a 100% free gift. Here you will get more than 20 apps in one place, and also beginner friendly tutorials that you can follow step by step. You will find all the links and resources discussed in today's video in the description right here. BYBIT, Binance, Ultimate Guide, and more.